So question 12, when we first glance at this, we see the word mean, okay, and that means add them all up and divide by how many there are. So we've just got to know how many, what the height of every single child is in Mr. Newton's class and how many there are. So how many there are is easy. We know that there are 32, so we divide them by 32. But we don't actually know the heights of all the individual people to add up. But we've got some information about boys, and we know the mean height is 151. And I'll just change colour here, so we've got information of girls and their mean height of girls. Okay, back to the boys. So we know a figure divided by 20, so the total of all the boys divided by 20 is equal to the mean, which is 151. So we can quite easily work out what that total of all the boys' heights was. So if we times this by 20, we're going to double it, so that's going to be 302, and times it by 10, so that is the height of all the boys. Okay, I'll just put that in there. That's the height of the boys in total. So I'll put total there. And now we need to do exactly the same thing with the girls. So we don't know the total height of them all, but when we divide it by 12, because there was 12 girls, we get the mean of 148. So to work out the total height of all the girls, we just have to times these two numbers together, which is 1,776. Okay, I'll just do the same thing here. That's centimeters. So that's the total height of the girls. So to find the mean of all of them, we need to add these two things together, the two totals together, and then we're going to divide it by how many people there are, and that's 32. So let's add those now, and we get 4,790, what was that? 6. Okay. And now we're going to have to divide that by 32. So it's the total height of everyone in the class divided by how many people there were. So let's just pop that in, divide by 32, and there you have it there, 149.875. Now, you'll notice that it doesn't give you any information about rounding, so I'd be tempted just to leave it like that. Yeah, it's a continuous measurement, so I wouldn't round it up to, say, 150. I would simply leave it like that. And don't forget your units, centimeters.